everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the size keyboard on your Android phone. Now let's get started. First, open your keyboard like this, and after this, in here you can see the setting icon. This one, you just click on it. And after this, in here, if you wanna adjust the size on your keyboard, so you just swipe down until you can see size and transparency. You just click on it. And after this, in here you can adjust the size and transparency. You can adjust like this, okay, like this, or you can adjust like this, okay. And after this, after you adjust the size of your keyboard, so you just click on done and finish. So that how to adjust the size keyboard on your Android phone. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.